Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I would like to share with you how radish is the overlooked vegetable with many surprising benefits. Radishes have long been known for their medicinal purposes. They are known as an edible prebiotic root crop. All parts of the radish are useful for medicinal purposes, including the pods, flowers, and seeds. They are as juicy as they are pungent, and sweet depending on the type you choose. Radishes come in white, red, purple, or black flesh. Their shapes vary from long to round and may be eaten cooked, raw, or pickled. Their first known cultivation periods date back to prehistoric times, even before the Great Pyramids in Egypt. They were initially cultivated in Europe and China, but are very common in Egypt. Radish provides many beneficial nutrients. It contains vitamins A, C, K, niacin, folate, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. Radish also contains protein. Radish contains fiber, which aids in digestion. An animal study has shown that the leaves of radish provide fiber, which help to improve gastrointestinal functions. Other studies have also reported that its juice can protect the gastric tissues and strengthen the intestinal barrier. As a result, this could help protect the digestive organs from harmful pathogens and toxic chemicals that cause stomach ulcers. Radish has a diuretic effect that may help detoxify the body by promoting liver function. When the liver is healthy, it can purify the blood and eliminate toxins and waste from the body well. Some studies have also shown that this vegetable may be beneficial to people with jaundice, as it stabilizes bilirubin levels in the blood. In addition, it helps increase oxygen levels in the blood, minimizing further damage to red blood cells. Indian researchers have suggested that people with diabetes can get many benefits from eating radishes. In their study, they found that radish roots can help regulate blood sugar levels and protect against diabetes without causing harmful side effects. Eating a radish can also help relieve congestion in the respiratory tract, including the nose, windpipe, throat, and lungs. Radish also acts as a disinfectant and has antioxidants that can help prevent respiratory infections. It may also relieve sore throats and eliminate excess mucus from the airways. Like other cruciferous vegetables, radish also has cancer-fighting properties because it contains cancer-fighting agents like vitamins, folic acid, and anthocyanins. It is also rich in compounds that help eliminate carcinogenic substances in the body and prevent the development of tumors. These compounds also promote apoptosis, or cell death, in certain cancer cell lines, according to a study in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition. Adding radish to your diet can help prevent osteoarthritis, a condition that occurs when the cartilage between the joints and the underlying bone break down over time. This benefit can be attributed to the vegetable's vitamin C and calcium content. Vitamin C helps form collagen, which makes the cartilage stronger and fights against free radical damage that can harm the cartilage. On the other hand, calcium aids in the formation and strengthening of the bones. Drinking radish juice can boost urine production and flush out the kidneys. These can help fight infections of the urinary tract, such as the kidneys and bladder. Radish also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease the burning sensation you may sometimes feel while urinating. Radishes make a great addition to your diet, especially during winter, because they exude a lot of heat. The best time to eat radish is during the day, when your metabolism is at its peak. Because of its high fiber content, it may take some time to digest. You can add radish to your diet by roasting, poaching, and frying them. You can also use them in salads and soups. I hope that you enjoy adding this often overlooked vegetable to your diet. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.